Want an easier way to manage your Gmail inbox? Today, I'll show you how to automatically extract important data from your emails into a Google Sheet and optionally summarize them using AI without writing a single line of code. In the next video, we'll build a live dashboard to track and visualize your email activity. Here's what you'll need: a Gmail account, a Google Sheet ready to capture the data, and a Zapier account. The free plan is enough for this setup. If you want to add AI summarization, you'll also need an OpenAI account with an API key. Just a heads up, OpenAI offers free credits at sign-up, but after that, there's a small charge per use. Now let's build the automation step by step. First, open Google Sheets and create a new file. Name it Email Report. Inside the sheet, add the following columns: date, from address, label, subject, and summary. This sheet will store all the email data that our automation captures. Now go to Zapier and create a new Zap. For the trigger app, select Gmail. If you're already signed in with your Google account, your Gmail account should appear automatically. If not, connect your Gmail account here. Then choose New Email as the event. You can monitor all incoming emails or apply filters if you want, for example, only emails with specific labels. Once your account is connected, click Test Trigger to pull a sample email into Zapier. If you want to add AI summarization, this is the point where you can set it up. Click Add Another Step and select ChatGPT or OpenAI. Choose Send Prompt as the action event. Connect your OpenAI account by entering your API key. Select the model GPT 3.5 Turbo Instruct. Now craft a dynamic prompt for ChatGPT. Start by typing, "Summarize this email in 2 to 3 bullet points." Then type subject. Click the plus button and select the subject field. After that, type body, and again click the plus button to insert the body plain field. Once your prompt is ready, click Continue and test the step. If the test is successful, you'll receive a neat summary generated by ChatGPT. Remember, this step is fully optional. You can choose to skip it if you prefer to just capture raw email data. Next, add another step to save the information into Google Sheets. Search for Google Sheets and choose Create Spreadsheet Row as the action event. Connect your Google account if you haven't already. Select your Google Drive, then choose the email report spreadsheet you created earlier, and pick Sheet 1 as the worksheet. Now map the data fields. Map date from the Gmail trigger, from address from the Gmail trigger, label from the Gmail trigger, subject from the Gmail trigger, and for summary, either map the ChatGPT response if you use the AI step, or leave it blank if you skip this step. Once you have mapped everything correctly, continue and send a test row to the spreadsheet. Let's see it in action. I'm sending a quick test email. And just like that, the email is captured and saved into our Google Sheet. If you enabled the AI option, you'll also see the summarized version here. If everything looks good, click Publish Zap. And that's it. Your automation is live. From now on, every new email you receive will automatically be pulled into your Google Sheet and optionally summarized by AI. This wraps up part 1 of our mini-series. Stay tuned for part 2. We'll build a live dashboard from this spreadsheet with charts and visualizations to easily track your email activity. Thanks for watching Ctrl-Alt-IT. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the upcoming dashboard building tutorial. See you in the next one.